coming
So there
inside,
is one
right?
naughty child and who
Yeah.
has a history of, having some kind of clashes with other children. And there's
Right.
another child who is quite sincere in class and, she's a nice, docile child. She walks up to you and says, cryingly, ma'am, so and so person has hit me, or so and so person has said something mean to me,
The
right? And
same
has
boy,
taken
the
some.
other one, the other
Yes, the one
child.
who has
Yes.
had a history of
Yes,
being naughty.
yes,
What
yes,
would you
yes.
do?
So what I do is in such scenarios, I generally talk to each one of them separately. The first thing, I just make her
Mm-hmm.
sit, make her comfortable, adore her,
Mm-hmm.
pamper her, and just get
Mm-hmm.
things out from her. Listen to her
Mm-hmm.
mindfully, very peacefully,
Mm-hmm.
and try to get out of her what she's actually trying to say. And after
Mm-hmm.
listening to her conversation, I pacify her. Now let me talk to Bhavya also, whosoever is
Mm-hmm.
the other child.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll get back to you, beta. Let me just
Mm-hmm.
speak to him also. And by the time the
Mm-hmm.
child is, pacified, okay, she's going to do
Mm-hmm.
something, she's going to take some
Mm-hmm.
action. If
Mm-hmm.
that happens, it's okay. If that doesn't work, I need to talk to the child at length. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
try to reach to the extent where the child is actually being, if she's actually into a traumatic situation, you need
Mm-hmm.
to get deeper into. If she's
Mm-hmm.
okay, comfortable, you may leave and definitely
Mm-hmm.
go and talk to the other child also. And
Mm-hmm.
if you feel you need to make to sit them face to face or call one after the other, you may do that.
Mm-hmm.
So, or if you feel that the child is okay by just telling that, okay, I have told the other child also, and the other child
Mm-hmm.
probably, see, this is a very long discussion. Probably that child
Mm-hmm.
has not done anything, only she just took an action because she didn't like him or her.
Mm-hmm.
This also
Exactly.
happens. This is my experience
Mm-hmm.
with children. So this kind, I mean, it depends. But if you take it
Mm-hmm.
as a
Exactly.
general this thing, reach to the child's concern first, get to know
Mm-hmm.
what actually the situation was, and then
Mm-hmm.
talk to the other child also and try to make them both understand each other's feelings and emotions, that he did not have intentions or she did not have intentions to do that, but you need to understand each other. Because, एक spur of moment पे चीजें और हमारी thoughts change होती है. कभी-कभी हमें लगता है कोई हमें
Mm-hmm.
सुन ही ले बस.
Mm-hmm.
वो
True.
उतने सुनने में ही बच्चे चुप
Absolutely.
हो जाते हैं and they, pacify. Okay, ma'am
So
has
true.
agreed, it's okay, things are done. But at some
Mm-hmm.
times, maybe something serious has happened, so we can't let it go. Let go वाला scene नहीं करना चाहिए, because
Mm-hmm.
I also love to work with children like that. I also work
Mm-hmm.
with special children. So I,
Mm-hmm.
take it to my heart and I look
Mm-hmm.
into that. I think, I hear each and every word of the child's conversation very deeply.
Mm-hmm.
And then I give my point of view. Okay, we'll talk later.
Mm-hmm.
So this is how
Mm-hmm.
we go. And definitely don't ignore the child's feelings and emotions. Very, very
Oh,
important.
yes.
Very, very
That's so
important.
true.
Thank
The
you so
That's
much,
so
facial
true.
Jyoti
reading
ma'am.
is very important as a teacher. आपको उसकी facial reading करने से पता चल जाता है whether she or he is truthful or not.
So
First
true.
part, as a teacher, as a grown up
Hmm.
person, आप मुंह देख के बता देते हो ये सच बोल रहा है झूठ बोल रहा है.
Hmm.
वो भी
True.
एक आपकी रीडिंग का एक स्टाइल होता है टू एक्सेस अ चाइल्ड अबाउट दैट. एंड लॉट मेनी थिंग्स उसके साथ और भी क्राइटेरियाज होते हैं. आपको एक बच्चे की हिस्ट्री भी पता होती है कि बच्ची कैसे
Mm-hmm.
है इन पास्ट और वो बच्चा
Exactly.
कैसा है. सो टू
Yeah.
नो द हिस्ट्री, दैट इज व्हाई वी आर टोल्ड टू कनेक्ट विद द चाइल्ड्स
Mm-hmm.
फैमिली. एक हम कनेक्ट बनाते हैं ना, पेरेंट टीचर
Mm-hmm.
अच्छा, द ट्रायंगल.
True.
So that is very, very important, ma'am.
True.
So
Thank you
this
Thank you
is
so
so
how
much,
you
much.
can
Jyoti.
go into the process.
Thank you
Right.
so much, Jyoti ma'am. I think Jyoti ma'am answered this question beautifully, right? She went
Very
through the
well.
Ma'am,
steps
this is my
very well.
passion. I counsel my parents also. I have done a lot. I have done a
Oh.
lot.
That's
That's great.
wonderful.
Yes,
Thank you so
I
much,
do it
Jyoti ma'am.
passionately.
Thank you so much. So I love the way that Jyoti ma'am talked about something very this was a scenario when we were back as children, right, where you would hear that, okay, so if a child has a certain history of having clashes, then it is obvious that the child who is considered sincere, everybody listens to him and the other child is scolded. But the way Jyoti ma'am and a lot of teachers here also in the chat are also discussing that validation of both sides, listening, talking to both sides,
Absolutely.
validation of both sides, very, very critical. And that is where your emotional management skills comes in, right? And last but not the least, so you have assessed, what we mean as the third step, you have assessed the impact of your emotions on the child, right? The way you handle the situation is going to impact the child. And then last, do keep going back and, like we said, right, quick check-ins on yourself. How did that situation make you feel? What was the way that situation could have been handled? Check in with the other person as well, right? As in, if they're children, right, you can even, are you feeling better now? You talked about it. Are you feeling better? Are you feeling more relaxed now, right? So triggers are very,
Like
very
ma'am
important to
mentioned,
understand.
never let go. Never let go. Sometimes
Oh,
all the
yes.
child is need is to be heard. And I
Yes.
think that's very important that Jyoti ma'am mentioned. This is a very important point because sometimes a child is coming up with constant complaints to you as a teacher because they want validation, because maybe they're not getting it at home. Maybe
Mm-hmm.
there is some problem going on. So that is another area where
Mm-hmm.
how you can identify that there's something going on with the child.
Mm-hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Coming up with constant complaints or getting hurt on things which are
Hmm.
happening to everybody, for example.
Hmm.
And the
Hmm.
other thing is definitely listen to both the parties.
Hmm.
Sometimes knowing the history of one child, that this one has been very naughty, can make us immediately react to it. Ki, oh, again, this one has done this, and
Hmm.
can make us scold that person, that child, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
But that is not okay, because
May
then
I
we
come
are
in,
at,
ma'am? May I come in, ma'am?
sure, sure, sure.
Yes,
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 Jyoti ma'am.
yes. You are about to say that only. It's always not that. It is not
Hmm.
always that.
Exactly.
Sometimes the
Hmm.
naughty child, he or
Hmm.
she
Hmm.
may have not done.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
it
Hmm.
is always the
Exactly.
child is caught to be blamed like that.
Yeah,
Maybe,
true.
behind
Exactly.
somebody else was there, and the other
Hmm.
person saw him only in the front image and he was blamed. So
True.
that's
Exactly.
what we need to talk to both of the parties very, very
Exactly.
mindfully. Very, very,
Hmm.
very small things. I had solved a case last year only. I would not share here,
Hmm.
but sometime when I
Hmm.
get time to, I'll talk to you. I mean, such a sensitive zone. I had to reach to the house of the child to get out from the child what had happened
Hmm.
in the
Hmm.
field.